In the ever-changing world of health IT, what do you see as HIMSS Virginia's role, and what are some benefits from being a member?
A couple of different things. Like one is education, right? I think we can be a really great source for not only, our organizational affiliates like providers and, those individuals, people trying to get into the healthcare industry like I was, vendors. I think it's a really great source for education for people out there really trying to understand, like, what is this healthcare thing about? What is Virginia focused on? Like, how can I get involved and just better understand the broader healthcare industry and also the health IT space? So I think education is certainly an important aspect. I think it's a really great networking group as well. Like, I think really being a common space for people that have something in common, right? They're interested in healthcare, they work in healthcare, they work in health IT, to come together. And, obviously not all of us are the same. We're all very different people. We have very different interests. We have very different backgrounds, but having that one commonality of we have this and we can all connect and, just have a good time or learn or network or broaden our, careers and our horizons. Like, I think it's a really great society for that. And so, ever evolving and ever kind of changing what we focus on. But I think those are kind of the two sounding boards that really kind of hold true.
Sure. So we are specifically invested in education and professional development around healthcare IT. So I participate in a lot of different healthcare organizations. HIMSS is, to me, the one that has the niche of being the community and contributor of education for everyone in health IT, not just CIOs. So we have CHIME, which is the College of Healthcare Information Management Executives. And that one I belong to. It's amazing. We get a lot out of that, but that is really focused on the CIO community. HIMSS is focused on the entire health IT community. So I think we serve that niche role that, unlike other healthcare professional societies, it's all about the technology. We often work alongside or think about the same things as like the Healthcare Financial Management Association, HFMA. So technology does touch business within healthcare, not only the actual care provision, but we've got a really nice niche to help, especially developing healthcare IT professionals, to provide that education and development.
Yeah, you know what? I think HIMSS plays a role in fostering synergy.
Gotcha.
All right.
Okay.
And it fosters synergy by identifying key entities, key stakeholders that it makes sense for them to be in the room at the same time, hearing the same content at the same time, so that they can discuss that content. So HIMSS creates those synergies, or the opportunities for those synergies and those collaborations. That's what I
think it's twofold. One, it provides, again, that collaborative environment to ask questions, to inquire, to see what folks are leveraging technology-wise and maybe process-wise that you can maybe take and apply back to your home base. But second, it's more relationships and the network and kind of the really smart, bright people you're surrounding yourself with, that kind of takes you to that next level, right? And almost, validates kind of your position and where you are professionally. And again, back to, we're all at the end of the day trying to get those patient outcomes, really advance the care and the technology enabled to deliver care. So why not try to get best of all worlds working on it?
So if I had to encapsulate that into a couple key terms, it's about networking, about bringing people together. I think that's the number one for me, is an opportunity to talk with your peers and network with your peers. Sometimes we get caught in our own little horse blinders of the company that we work for and our problems. And it's an amazing opportunity to connect with other healthcare professionals doing similar things to you. And then the other, I would say equally as important, is an exposure to new ideas, new technologies. Really, that's what HIMSS was founded on, was to expose IT professionals to different concepts within different IT concepts. And so I feel that that is also what we do with our special interest groups or our SIGs. You get a chance to, I attended a Penny from Augusta Health does a data analytics SIG that on any other day I would not have thought would have been that intriguing. It certainly isn't my area of expertise, but having attended that meeting, I learned so much. And it just goes to show you, if you expand your horizons and try out these different things, you can learn an incredible amount of information. There's so much in healthcare IT that you can learn, and HIMSS is a great way to get your foot in that door and explore all these opportunities.